We have studied the nuclear reactions happening at the center of the suns. Proton react to 3 protons to form the helium 4s. So 4 protons, this is net reactions, produce helium 4 plus 2 positron plus 2 electron neutrino. So this is today's questions. So this is the net reaction of the pp chains. 4 protons react to form the helium 4s, 2 positrons and 2 neutrinos. We use the famous equations derived by Einstein's. Einstein's very famous equations. You can easily remember as E equal mc squared. We use this famous equation to calculate the generated energies by these pp chains. Contribution of positron and neutrino are not included in the calculations because they are much lighter than the protons and the helium 4s. We calculate the difference of the masses of the helium 4 and mass sum of the 4 protons. So the energy difference can be calculated. Mass difference times c squared. So this means 4 times mass of protons minus mass of the helium 4. You can calculate this mass, these numbers, difference of the mass, and times c squared. You multiply c squared, you can find the generated energy by these pp chains. And then you can find that 26.73 mega electron volt. So mega means 10 to 6 mega electron volt. So one electron volt is equal to the is a charge of the electrons times the 1 volt. The charge of the electron is 1.602 times 10 to minus 19 coulombs times 1 volt. So it's expressed 1.602 times 10 to minus 19 joule. So you can easily convert from the electron volt to the joule or joule to the electron volt. Okay, so one reaction produces the pp chains. So you can. So maybe it's better to write it one more times. 4 protons react to form the helium 4 plus 2 positron plus 2 electron neutrino plus 26.73 mega electron volt of the energy. Then we'd like to answer these questions. How many neutrino are produced at the center of the suns every minute, every second? Then we can use the solar luminosities. Solar luminosity. You remember the solar luminosity? Sun emits light every second. So this means sun emits energy. Solar luminosity is energy by emitted energy. This is emitted energy per unit time. Solar luminosity is given L equals 3.8 times 10 to 26 joule per second. So released energy of this 26.973 mega electron volt if you use a Q. So Q is a 26.73 mega electron volt. And you could convert electron volt and mega because luminosity is expressed with a joule. Then it becomes 4.3 times 10 to minus 12 joule. So every formation of the helium falls 4.3 times 10 to minus 12 joule of the energy is released. Okay. Then we'd like to find out the number of the neutrinos formed per second. So luminous sun emitted a number of neutrino formed every second. How can you calculate? This is L. If you calculate L divided Q, what kind of the quantity we could discover? This is number of reactions. So this is PP chain. Number of the net reactions is happening. And then if you remember these equations, every reactions produced 2 neutrinos. Then you have to multiply 2 to discover how many neutrino actually there is produced every second. Then you could calculate, substitute this L and the Q. From here, L and Q. Then it becomes 1.8 times 10 to 38 per second. So number of the neutrino formed in the sun is about 2 times 10 to 38 neutrinos are formed every second. Okay, so this is the answer to this practice.